Hey there, my name is Jamie, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get a special 30-day free trial for the HighLevel platform, as well as some exclusive discounts if you're already a HighLevel user. 30-day HighLevel free trial. Typically, HighLevel only offers a 14-day free trial on their website. However, I've secured a special 30-day free trial just for my viewers. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. This will take you to a dedicated landing page where you can sign up for the 30-day free trial of HighLevel's Agency Pro plan. This plan usually costs $497 per month, but you can try it out for a full 30 days at no cost. During this time, you'll have access to all of HighLevel's features, including their CRM, marketing automation, website builder, and more. Exclusive HighLevel discounts. Now, if you're already a HighLevel user, I have an even better deal for you. If you click the Already a HighLevel User button on the landing page, you can upgrade to the HighLevel Pro plan at a massive discount. This means you can upgrade to the Pro plan for a fraction of the regular cost. Your billing date will also reset, so your next payment won't be due for another month. So, whether you're new to HighLevel or already a user, make sure to check out the links in the description to take advantage of these special offers. Let me know if you have any other questions.